This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, December 30th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0ZGFS model run. This is at noon today. We have a trough over most of the eastern two-thirds of the country. The polar vortex over northern Manitoba into Hudson Bay. This will bring a northwesterly flow across the state, and this will be bringing us a couple of clipper systems this week. The first one will be coming through late tonight, or later today into tonight, with a few flurries or light snow showers, maybe a half an inch to an inch of snow, mainly in the northern and northeastern counties. That system moves into the Great Lakes on Tuesday, but another clipper system will be coming in later Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night into Wednesday. This storm could bring quite a bit of snow. You can see the snow here on New Year's Day, Wednesday. You can see maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 inches of snow with this. It's a little too early to pinpoint an exact location with the heaviest snow, so we'll be able to find that out maybe by later today or tomorrow. Thursday, that system moves off to the east. It's still cold, highs single digits, teens, lows at or below zero. That'll be the case most of this week. By Friday, temperatures should start to moderate. Teens in the northeast to maybe near 30 in the southwestern counties as the winds turn southwesterly. Unfortunately, that's ahead of another clipper system that'll be sweeping through the state here on Saturday, and that could bring another round of some light snow or flurries, maybe another half inch to inch of snow with this system. But the colder air will come in behind that system as well for Sunday. But a new storm will be developing to our west and south and west, and will kind of form along the frontal system, the clipper system that'll be just to the south, and that may scrape the southern counties of the state with a little bit of snow late Sunday into next Monday. Here you can see the energy across Oklahoma back into the Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest. And with that system could really start to bring in some Gulf moisture, some thunderstorms over the southeast, snow over the Great Lakes, maybe the southern part of Iowa, back into the Rockies, where there could be some blizzard conditions possible in the plains. We'll have to wait and see on future model runs. So we go into the extended period. The flow becomes a little bit more westerly, although we still have a northwesterly fetch coming out of the Arctic over the the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, and that means it'll still remain somewhat chilly, highs in the teens, maybe a few single digits, lows in the single digits, above and below zero, maybe a little bit of snow around. But then as we move to the end of the forecast here on January the 14th, we have a shortwave moving through New England into the Canadian Maritimes. The flow a little more west to west-northwesterly, mainly coming out of southern Canada, not out of the North Pole. That's at least a little bit better, so we could see at least some seasonal weather, maybe highs in the 20s. But unfortunately, it looks like we could also see more snow again, as if we haven't had enough of that by this point. Lake effect snow over the Great Lakes and maybe a storm over the east. The satellite image from last evening, we had a storm just off the east coast, taking some showers and a little bit of thunder activity along with it. Some clouds over South Texas, up to our north, and over the Pacific Northwest. The Watch 20 map from last evening, we had some winter weather issues over the New England states. In Ohio, wind chill advisories in the upper Midwest, and some air stagnation issues over the Pacific Northwest. Taking a look at the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing precipitation around here could be in the range of maybe a quarter to maybe 2/3 of an inch of rain. Of course, this will all be in the form of some snow.